the delete anchor point tool, self-explanatory, just like the add anchor point tool. You're just deleting anchor points from paths or shapes. This is another tool, again, that does not have any top options or settings or parameters. No tool presets either, because there's nothing to change. You literally just hover over anchor points, click them to remove them. This is not like the add anchor point tool where you can move them. Pretty easy to learn. If you hold Alt, it turns to the add anchor point tool. So if you accidentally remove one that you needed, you can either hit Control Z to undo, or you can just hold Alt and just add another one in. If you have any questions or comments, make sure to put them down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.